Ava DuVernay's 2019 limited series When They See Us became one of the most talked about and highly praised shows of the year. The four-part limited series is a moving and riveting rendition of the lives of the 5 African-American men known as the Central Park 5 and now the Exonerated 5. These men were incarcerated for years under the false notion that they raped a woman in Central Park in April 1989 when they were all teenagers, which is known as the Central Park jogger case. The quintet maintained their innocence and fought their conviction till they were exonerated in 2002 and reached a settlement with the state of New York in 2014. DuVernay's series, which premiered on Netflix on May 31, 2019, won a number of accolades including an Emmy for actor Jarrell Jerome for Outstanding Lead Actor in a Limited Series and 2 Critics' Choice Awards, including one for Outstanding Limited Series. However, When They See Us has also seen its share of backlash in the form of lawsuits. The first major suit filed against the limited series was a defamation suit by John E. Reed and Associates Incorporated. For those not in the know, Reed is a former police officer turned consultant who developed an interrogation method known for years as the Reed technique, which he has been teaching since 1974. Those benefiting from his training include the FBI, the DEA, and the U.S. Department of State, the U.S. military and police departments around the country. The reason why Reed took objection to DuVernay's Netflix series is because of a dialogue in the show that is critical of the Reed technique. The dialogue takes between Manhattan Assistant DA Nancy Ryan and a New York City detective, where Ryan's partner says, "You squeeze statements out of them after 42 hours of questioning and coercing, without food, bathroom breaks, withholding parental supervision. The Reed technique has been universally rejected. That's truth to you." Thanks to this line, Reed filed a 41-page complaint against DuVernay, her production company Array, and Netflix, saying that the show defamed the Reed technique and falsely represented the technique on the show. The complaint states, "The conduct described is not the Reed technique. The program falsely represents that squeezing and coercing statements from juvenile subjects after long hours of questioning without food, bathroom breaks, or parental supervision is synonymous with the Reed technique." The lawsuit was first reported in October 2019, and as of March 2020, DuVernay and Netflix can safely put this hassle behind them. Reports on March 23, 2020 stated that the defamation suit was won by the makers of When They See Us and not by John E. Reed and Associates. U.S. District Judge Manish S. Shah stated that DuVernay was protected by the First Amendment, also stating that DuVernay doesn't have enough contact with the state of Illinois for him to establish personal jurisdiction. Judge Shah added that since When They See Us was a fictional representation of real events and the moment challenged by Reed was not a portion of actual footage, DuVernay could not be penalized for it. Judge Shah said that the statement was also made by a fictionalized character during a fictionalized conversation. Furthermore, Judge Shah also found the First Amendment protections defeat Reed's remaining claims for false light, unjust enrichment, commercial disparagement, and violations of the Illinois Deceptive Trade Practices Act. While this is a decisive victory for DuVernay and Netflix over Reed, their legal troubles may yet be far from done. As of March 18, 2020, it was reported that ex-Assistant District Attorney for New York County, Linda Fairstein, who was also the prosecutor of the Central Park 5, sued DuVernay and Netflix for defamation as well. Atika Locke, the co-writer of the show, has also been named as a defendant in the suit. In her lawsuit, Fairstein said that When They See Us portrayed her as a racist, unethical villain who was determined to jail innocent children of color at any cost. She added that the behaviors attributed to her in the series are complete fabrications and readily contradicted by evidence in the public record. Fairstein was played by Felicity Huffman in When They See Us. As reparations, Fairstein is asking for unspecified damages, an apology, a disclaimer on the series, and the removal of the particular scenes she alleges are not accurate, since she claims her post-prosecution career and reputation has been tarnished by the show. However, Netflix was quick to issue a statement against Fairstein's lawsuit. A spokesperson for the streaming giant said, "Linda Fairstein's frivolous lawsuit is without merit. We intend to vigorously defend When They See Us and Ava DuVernay and Attica Locke, the incredible team behind the series. We wonder if the makers of the limited series will emerge victorious in this legal battle too." Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to check out all other content too, and don't forget to subscribe.